Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be talking about some easy and effective health tips that you can incorporate into your daily routine. Tip number 1, stay hydrated. The first tip is to stay hydrated. Drinking enough water is crucial for maintaining good health. It helps to flush out toxins from your body and keeps your skin looking healthy. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water a day, and if you struggle to drink plain water, you can always add some lemon or other fruits to make it more interesting. Tip number 2, get enough sleep. The second tip is to get enough sleep. Sleep is essential for the body to repair and recharge itself. Adults need between 7 to 9 hours of sleep per night to function optimally. So, make sure to prioritize your sleep and establish a consistent sleep schedule. Tip number 3, eat a balanced diet. The third tip is to eat a balanced diet. A healthy diet should include a variety of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean protein, and healthy fats. Avoid processed and sugary foods as much as possible, and try to cook your own meals at home. This way, you'll have better control over what you're eating. Tip number 4, exercise regularly. The fourth tip is to exercise regularly. Physical activity is crucial for maintaining good health and preventing chronic diseases. Aim to get at least 30 minutes of moderate exercise, such as brisk walking or cycling, 5 times a week. You can also try incorporating strength training exercises to build muscle and increase your metabolism. Tip number 5, manage stress. The fifth tip is to manage your stress levels. Chronic stress can lead to various health problems, such as high blood pressure and anxiety. Try to incorporate stress-reducing activities into your routine, such as meditation, yoga, or deep breathing exercises. Additionally, make sure to take breaks throughout the day to relax and recharge. Conclusion. And that's it for today's video. Remember, taking care of your health doesn't have to be complicated. By following these simple tips, you can improve your overall well-being and live a happier, healthier life. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos.